Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that you decided to pop on over to my video today. I really just wanted to upload like a relaxing, fun, quick clean with me. I'm going to go ahead and tackle my living room and my kitchen. It's not really that dirty, but I did want to go ahead and get it all nice and neat because I do want to decorate this table here in my living room. I wasn't quite sure exactly what I wanted to do for fall in here, but I did get some new things. If you guys haven't seen that, I will leave that video up here in the cards, so make sure you go and check that out. But before I get started on anything, I'm going to go ahead and get Rosie on her job. I always like to work smarter, not harder. So especially if I'm just going to do like a really quick clean with me, I'll go ahead and let her do her thing. So while she's starting her work in the living room, I'm going to go ahead and get the kitchen table cleaned up. Then I'm going to wipe everything down, get my dishwasher unloaded and reloaded. But I'm going to pop back in here in just a minute and we're just going to have like a really chill little chat. I just, like I said, wanted this video to be relaxing and fun. So while you get a little bit of motivation here in the kitchen, I'm going to play some really nice music for you guys and I'll be back in just a second.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
So I hope so far you are getting just a little bit of motivation to get some things done in your house. But I wanted to quickly talk to you guys and say thank you again for being here today. I know that my videos have not been kind of going up the way that they usually do. I try to post at least 3 times a week, if not 2 times a week, and I know that I haven't been doing that, but things have just been kind of crazy around here and I just kind of got a little offbeat for a second, but I think I'm back. I think everything's good. So I did want to go ahead and make sure that I got a video up for you guys today. But again, like I said, this is just going to be like a quick motivating video with some decorating in here as well. And of course, Rosie is still doing her thing. I just love the little vacuum marks that it makes in there. And if you guys have been here for a while, you know that if I am vacuuming myself, Bodhi is right beside me, so I never get those really nice vacuum lines. But Rosie and Bodhi still have a love-hate relationship, so when she's in there working, he pretty much leaves her alone and I'm able to get that. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish loading up the dishwasher, and I have my spot cleaner here to help me as always. But I wanted to ask you guys if you have decorated for fall. I think I've actually thought about not decorating for Halloween this year. I'm just trying to keep things a little bit more simple because I feel like as soon as I decorate for fall, then I have to take everything down and decorate for Halloween, and then as soon as I get used to that, I'm taking that down and decorating for Christmas, and it's so much. And if I was here and was able to spend like a lot more time dedicated to it, then I would totally do it, but I'm just honestly not. Like, this new job really has me working hard and then coming home, trying to take care of the house, trying to do my YouTube and things like that. So I just want to be realistic with myself and not, you know, just kind of overdo it, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And I hope you guys understand that. I know that I'm not the only one that feels that way. So if you guys have decorated for fall, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've kind of toned it down a little bit, because in the last couple of years I would have stuff everywhere, and I just got rid of so much of my decor, and I just kind of like the more simple decor now. I'm trying not to have so much stuff in my house and just more stuff to move, more stuff to store. It just makes it so much easier. And I have like a couple of staple pieces that you're going to see here in just a few minutes that I'm going to bring out and go ahead and use in the living room. Some things that I just absolutely love and that I would never get rid of. But I'm just really excited to go ahead and get this stuff already out into the living room because I've been waiting to decorate. I just honestly have not had the time. Like, our weekends have been kind of busy, but I'm just, you know, spending more time with the dog and with Ruben and my family, and I just enjoy it so much. And I used to be, like I said, just so hard on myself to make sure that I was pushing out content, and I've realized now that this really does make me happy to just, you know, do it on my own, and it makes me feel like I don't feel as much pressure. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense in my head.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
So I'm now done with the kitchen, and I'm going to go ahead and pull everything back into the living room. So when I let Rosie come in here and vacuum, I kind of like to just pull everything out into the hallway. That way she doesn't have to try to get around everything, and I can get a nice good clean across the entire floor. And now that I'm editing, you guys, I'm never going to learn my lesson about this TV. Hopefully YouTube can't figure anything out and doesn't try to block it again, but we're just going to let it ride. It's just a 10-minute video. Just let me have my moment, YouTube. I promise you I will learn. Maybe not this time, maybe not next time, but I'll learn. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out this beautiful fall sign that I got last year from Joann Fabrics. I love the wood and I love the black wrought iron frame. It's just so pretty. It's the most precious sign I've ever purchased, and it's just a wonderful size for this area too. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my other sign down and switch around some pins in the wall and go ahead and hang that up. Then I'm going to bring in some new pieces and some not so new pieces and get this table situated. So if you guys saw my last fall decorate with me video, you will know what this is and where it came from. If you haven't seen it, I'll have that one up in the cards too. Make sure you go and check that out. But I did say in that video that I wasn't sure if that was going to stay in my kitchen, and it's not. So this is part of that little tablescape that was in my kitchen, and I just thought that the size of it with the height of the wheat and the colors and everything would just look so much prettier here on the entry table. And I was right. I'm also going to use this Your Heart Is My Home sign that I got from Big Lots, and I'm going to put that on the other side. And then I decided to use the dough bowl. The wooden dough bowl, that's what it is. This is the one that Ruben had found at Big Lots. This is the one with the little feet on it, and I think it is so precious, and it is also a perfect size for this. And I also grabbed a couple of those pumpkins that I got in my fall decor haul, and then I decided to use a few of the little spare dried fruits that was in that little centerpiece there and just kind of fill a little bit more of that dough bowl with it. Just the colors and the textures and everything in there just kind of brings it all together, and I just think it looks so cute. It's simple, the colors are beautiful, it looks amazing with that sign too, so it's like the first thing that you see when you walk in, and it's just so clean and pretty, and I absolutely love it if you can't tell. But I love how it just switches up the whole mood of the room with the colors and the textures. It just makes it feel so cozy and warm and nice. And this is another reason why I don't think I'm going to decorate for Halloween. I would just really like to keep this around a little bit longer until I start to decorate for Christmas. But this is what it all looks like here in the living room, and I'm super excited. But if you guys can't tell, since I moved that from the kitchen, that means that I need to find something else to replace it with, and I did go to Hobby Lobby while Ruben and I were out of town over the weekend, and I found this dough bowl, and it was on sale. They had all of their stuff, I think 60% off, so I got a good deal on that. I also grabbed this white pumpkin and this super cute little gold acorn. I just thought it was adorable. And then I also bought a bag of the pine cone filler, that way I could have a little bit more color and texture in here as well. So I just went ahead and added that to the bowl to finish off the kitchen decor.
No, I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
I'm so happy with the way that everything turned out. The house is nice and clean. All the decor makes me feel all warm and cozy and fuzzy inside. I hope that you guys enjoyed this really quick clean and decorate video. If you did, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you guys to stick around, come back and watch some future videos. I've got a ton of really awesome stuff planned for you guys, so make sure that you come back. Again, I always appreciate you guys being here. I love you so very much, and I can't wait to see you again. So until next time, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you later. Bye.